And welcome to another YouTube video on House Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how do you create a Snapchat public profile. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you're gonna open up your Snapchat, and on the top left you see your Bitmoji. You're gonna hit on that, and now you're gonna scroll down, and now there's this option to create your public profile. You're gonna hit that, and it's gonna give you a few on-screen instructions. You're gonna swipe to the right side and press this get started button, and then you can press create, and now it says it's creating your public profile, and now your public profile has been created. You can go ahead, you can add some stories, you can add some here you will be seeing all those snaps that you add to your spotlight, and that is done when you're just making a snap and sending it out to people. You can add a cover photo on the top right, well, on the top section itself, but there's a button on the top right, so there's that. And then you have a subscribers count here. You can go ahead and preview it, how it will look like. You can subscribe, people can subscribe to you, and then your subscriber count will go up. So that is how a Snapchat public profile is created. And yeah, that's pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.